Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here on Tuesday, December 13th, 2011. The market sell off here, Dow off 66.5 points here, down 0.55%, the SP down 0.87%, over 1% here on the NASDAQ, and over 2% on small caps here on the Russells. Look at this. Banks down 1.6%. Now check this out. VIX also down. Last couple sell-off sessions, the VIX has actually been down. The volatility index should be going higher. So this drop is not confirmed with the VIX or the fear indicator here. Gold off by more than 2%. Silver the same. And we have crude oil up 1.9%. But we have the USD, or the dollar here in the US, up almost a full percent. So markets actually started off pretty bullish today. We had that big white candlestick like we thought, and because we had retail sales that did come out, we had the trend with the big overextended reading yesterday. So it was very typical to have a white candlestick, and that was short-lived. Well, the retail sales came in at 0.2% to the upside, which is the 6th straight month of increases. However, it was the slowest increase in the last 5 months. And then we had the Fed come out at 2:15 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, and what they brought to the table was a lot of dark cloud cover, if you will. Anytime you have them saying that the markets continue to pose significant downside risks, that is going to frighten people. And here we are, taking a look here. If you remember this line coming across here at the apex, coming across, we found support there. We actually closed below that, so I'm going to get rid of that line. That line is gone. Now the two lines that I'm really paying special attention to is the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, both coming together at the same place. Actually, if you really blow this up, we have a crossover taking place. So the 20 now has crossed the 50. You can see that right there if you zoom in and really pay attention. But we are finding support at that level. We did drop below it. We came back up, finding that support. We have a lower high and also a lower low. So this high base that we're looking at is starting a descent. Now if I blow this back up, all we have here is a nice bull pullback taking place in the confines of a really big triangle. So if I were to take a Fibonacci retracement, bring that in, draw it from extreme to extreme, we're only at 38.2%. We could go down as low as the 61.8 and still be okay. That would put us, well, that could put us about where this line would be, this magenta line coming down. But we could get down here to the 1200 pretty easy and still be okay. But right now we're in a down leg, finding support at the major moving averages. We happen to be at a 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level after a bull flag and still in the confines of a symmetrical triangle. Bottom line is we're still bullish at this moment. So I'm not peeling off any of my bullish positions. I lightened up on my hedge yesterday. I re-added a full hedge as of today when we started selling off, just to be protected in this pullback. I was asked by a user to do a quick analysis on gold. So I'm looking at GLD. You can see that right here. Gold shares. And we have a huge symmetrical triangle, moving averages coiling, and then on Friday we broke down out of that. Very ominous, very bad move. On Monday, today, we just got a huge sell-off, over 2%, and breaking down below the 160 area on, I mean, that volume's pretty solid volume. But we have big red, or the 200-day moving average, coming in. If I look here at the weekly chart, big support. We broke support. So this week so far, we're in a lot of trouble. This week needs to rally back strong for it to heal itself and for it to get back in line. If you look here at the monthly chart, support. We're not near that yet, but we have major support coming up around the 150 area, 151, 152, 153. area on the daily, that would put us down here before we find support. So it'd be something to be watching for. The new website is going extremely well, and if you're just here for technical analysis on this video, you can kill the video right now. I'm getting ready to show everybody else a little bit about the website that I think you'll find very interesting. Once you log in, go to Edit Profile. You can put a picture in there, and your picture will start popping up. That's very cool. And any premium services that you have should pop up right here. And if you have some that you subscribe to some of these that you don't have, let me know. Also, here, if you want my trading videos each day, you go right here to get those. We have other analysts and associates that will be posting videos here shortly, so stay tuned to those. You can leave comments in here. Let me show you this. Once you go in here, go to Broad Markets, or you can click on My Videos. There would be a video that I did this morning, and all you do is click on Comments right here. So you click on Comments, this pops up. Add your message, who you are, yada yada yada, and click Submit. If you go to the chat room, you can go, get there right here, Premium Chat, or click right here. And here's the chat room. If you look over here to the right, this streaming quotes pop up. This is real-time data. All you have to do is double click this anytime you want the latest information. If you hover over it, you will get a chart. So this is real-time information. You don't get that anywhere else. And for there's a lot of people coming in. We had 50 some plus traders in here today chatting. It's after hours now. But if you go down here, a lot of you want to know how to shut off the sound. All you do is go down here, pop this up, go right here, turn sound off. That's how you do it. And if you want to chat with somebody, just click on chat. You can see the different countries that they're from: Mexico, Canada. Here's one from, Brazil. There's a lot of cool ones throughout the day that come in. Really, really neat that come, So next is when you click on the 101 courses here. I give you 6 courses. Check this out. 6 courses, and under each course there's a whole barrage of lessons. So click on charting, you get a bunch of them, and so there's a lot to go over when you're watching these videos.